I just figured out an organization efficiency update to my router table. I've been sort of imagining some sort of little tote that I would create, a little caddy. Bring the bits out and I lay them all right here. When they're up here, they're kind of a mess, and you know, these things aren't cheap, and you're kind of banging them around, and also every now and then one might fall off onto the floor. Why not make this my caddy? Just bring the bits out and have the actual fence hold them. So I took some wood away. I just got out a 1/2-inch bit and a 1/4-inch bit. I made a line, I laid them out, and now I can take the 1/2-inch bits, line them up, and then in this case, my 3/8 that goes into the bushing, I'll drop the bushing in, the 1/2-inch, another bushing to 1/4 there, drop that in, my pivot pin, that fits right in the half, and then a 1/4, I don't use 1/4-inch a lot, but if I do, I have room for the 1/4. So they're all lined up. I can look over and see exactly what I need, and I'm not going to knock them onto the floor. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop, a smart station, or a smart bench, router table, or any of the accessories that work with the smart system, there's a link in the description of this video down below. That's a typical fix you're going to find here in the smart wood shop to do more with less. Mahalo.